guys, if you're new here, my name is Angel. Welcome to my world. If you're a returning subscriber, what is up, my babes? Guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, if anyone cares, but I'm back. So I'm moving. Yes, so backstory, I had a 1-bedroom apartment. I decided to go back to school to get my bachelor's degree, which I got. The whole plan was to move into my parents and save money. Didn't save a lick of money. My bills actually went up. But now it's time to move out. And I do have a list of things that I do want. I don't want to live in a complex. I want a 2-bedroom. I want it to be convenient to stores, restaurants, my church, stuff like that. That is the basis. I'm not being too picky, as in I want like granite countertops and stuff like that. I'm really not into the whole aesthetic thing because I believe that you can make your apartment aesthetic, but I'm also, one thing is price point. I want a super affordable apartment in a great location. So let's get into this first location and then let's talk about it. This is the neighborhood. There's no parking. That sucks.
I appreciate you coming so quick. I had a crazy schedule and
That's fine.
then all of a sudden I was free. Come on.
Yeah. Is this the closet?
That's actually the furnace.
Oh, okay.
Is it just you? I know I probably asked you all that.
Yeah. Just me.
You okay?
No.
Good deal. And I noticed the door is missing off that closet. I think we took it down like a year or two ago to put up a new one. And the tenant never reminded me we didn't put it up, so it's been going all this time. So we're gonna get that taken care of. It's a cute little apartment, just a simple little place.
Also, are over the one in Edgewood, right?
Yes, I do have that one, yes.
Okay. What time are you available?
That was crazy.
Okay, so this first location, which you guys didn't see, it was up on a giant hill, and where I'm from, we have harsh winters like snow, and I have a small car, a Chevy Cruze, and going up a hill in a Chevy Cruze in snow, it's not gonna work. So automatically that was knocked off the list, but also it was in a complex. It was a 1-bedroom. I just wanted to see it, to see what was what, and the vibe was just really off in that complex. Let me rewind. I definitely see someone with like a Ouija board placemat, and it doesn't sit right in my soul. No thank you. So let's go to the next video. It's looking a little ghetto outside. That's the building. I don't know. Let's see. Very sketchy.
Still in the process of fixing that. He said, yeah, if you have any questions about any details, just give him a call.
Okay.
We're in the process of installing all new water lines and drain pipes and all that.
Okay. Yeah.
And just got new flooring. He's gonna paint it and whatnot. And I believe he's gonna paint out there too.
Okay. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you guys see that apartment? First of all, let's call Neve and Cammy, because that apartment online was a total catfish. It looked so nice and I just wanted to see it, although it was a 1-bedroom. The reason why I wanted to see it because it was in a great neighborhood, close to like everything, in like a 5-minute drive from my job. And I was just kind of like, what is this? What is this? Like, let's be for real. Let's be for real, because that was a trap house. Like, literally, guys, if I could describe how it smelled, it literally smelled like cigarettes, fornication, and urine. Who wants to live there? And then the landlord had the audacity to call me after the viewing, because he said he was going to be there, but then he was like, oh, I'm going to be 30 minutes late. Can you wait? No, I cannot. So he let what's his name, the guy who, you know what I'm talking about, he let me in, and he asked me not to film, but who wasn't gonna get that footage? Not me. So yeah, that's why the filming was a little shaky. But I ran out of there so fast. As soon as I saw the graffiti that said stay out, I was like, you don't gotta worry about me. You don't got to worry about me. I should have called the cops. Period. But on another note, guys, let's go to the next location.
Walls painted, carpet shampooed.
Okay. Want me to keep my shoes on?
Oh no, you're good. Good, yeah. The lecture for some reason was not turned on. I called last week and they said they'd have it on now, so I don't want to have to call them back, but
Okay.
at this point I might as well just wait till I get a tenant in here
Right.
and have them transfer it over into their name.
You guys saw that location, and I actually liked that location. One, it's walking distance from grocery stores and restaurants. It's actually a 7-minute drive from my parents' house and from my church. 11-minute drive from my job. The neighborhood is nice and quiet. It did have a 2-bedroom. It wasn't in a complex. I didn't care for the carpet, but it was very clean in there. I didn't really have much complaints about this apartment, honestly. And the price point, chef's kiss. Like, so this one is actually a contender for me. But guys, I know this video is a little short and everything, but I just want to show you guys the bad, the worst, and the okay type of apartment, you know, the one that I'm rocking with. Yes, it has a white refrigerator, but guys, let's be for real. I am not always into 100% aesthetics, because I know that I can make anything look aesthetic, honestly. But yeah, these are the 3 apartments that I'm going to show you. If I actually, let's just be for real. I've already seen a lot of apartments. I just chose not to film all of them because it gets tiring when they're like, can you please not film? And I'm over here trying to sneak film. But anyway, by the next video, you guys are going to see the apartment that I have chose, and pretty much by the time I post this video, I'll be moved in. Happy for me. So anyway, guys, stay tuned because there's going to be more apartment type videos, like decorating, organizing, moving in. And if you guys are into that, stay tuned. Make sure you come back, tell a friend, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.